If you're taking Fosinopril sodium or have just been prescribed it, there are key pharmacist tips you need to know to use this medication safely, avoid common side effects, and get the best blood pressure control possible. What is Fosinopril sodium monopril? Fosinopril sodium monopril is a prescription medication classified as an angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, inhibitor. It is widely used to treat high blood pressure, hypertension, in both adults and children aged 6 years and older. In addition, Fosinopril sodium is commonly prescribed as part of combination therapy for the management of heart failure. Fosinopril is taken orally as a tablet, typically once daily, making it a convenient option for long-term blood pressure control. While the brand name product Monopril has been discontinued, Fosinopril sodium remains available as a generic medication with the same effectiveness and safety profile. Most people tolerate Fosinopril well. When side effects do occur, the most commonly reported ones include a persistent dry cough and dizziness, especially when starting treatment or adjusting the dose. In rare cases, Fosinopril and other ACE inhibitors can cause angioedema, a potentially serious allergic reaction involving swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat that requires immediate medical attention. What is Fosinopril sodium used for? Fosinopril sodium is approved for several important cardiovascular conditions, including treatment of high blood pressure in adults and children aged 6 years and older, management of heart failure, usually in combination with other heart medications. By effectively lowering blood pressure and reducing strain on the heart, Fosinopril sodium helps decrease the risk of serious complications such as stroke, heart attack, and worsening heart failure. How does Fosinopril sodium work? Fosinopril sodium works by inhibiting the angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, a key component of the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. This enzyme normally produces a substance that causes blood vessels to tighten and narrow. By blocking ACE, Fosinopril sodium allows blood vessels to relax and widen. This leads to lower blood pressure, improved blood flow, and reduced workload on the heart, making it especially beneficial for people with hypertension or heart failure. Side effects of Fosinopril sodium monopril. Like many blood pressure medications, Fosinopril sodium monopril can cause side effects. Many of these effects are mild and may improve over time as your body adjusts to the medication. However, it is important to inform your healthcare provider if symptoms persist, worsen, or become concerning. Common side effects for the treatment of high blood pressure. The most commonly reported side effects of Fosinopril sodium when used for hypertension include cough 2%, dizziness 2%, nausea or vomiting 1%. For the treatment of heart failure, when Fosinopril sodium is used to manage heart failure, the following side effects are more frequently reported: dizziness 12%, cough 10%, low blood pressure 4%, muscle pain 3%, nausea or vomiting 2%, diarrhea 2%, chest pain 2%, upper respiratory tract infection 2%. Less common side effects of Fosinopril sodium. Some people may experience additional side effects, which are generally less common but still important to monitor: headache, weakness or fatigue, sexual problems, shortness of breath, stomach pain, muscle cramps, swelling, difficulty sleeping. If any of these symptoms interfere with daily activities or do not improve, consult your healthcare provider. Serious side effects of Fosinopril sodium. Although rare, Fosinopril sodium monopril can cause serious and potentially life-threatening side effects. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience any of the following: angioedema, severe swelling, swelling of the face, lips, tongue, throat, arms, or legs, difficulty breathing or wheezing, nausea, vomiting, or severe abdominal pain, dangerously low blood pressure, severe dizziness or lightheadedness, pale or clammy skin, feeling faint or passing out, serious kidney problems, urinating less often than usual, swelling in the feet, ankles, or hands, unexplained weight gain, high potassium levels in the blood, nausea, muscle weakness, abnormal or irregular heartbeat, severe allergic reaction, swelling of the lips, tongue, throat, or face, trouble breathing, rash, Typical dosage of Fosinopril sodium, Monopril. The dosage of Fosinopril sodium, Monopril, is individualized based on age, body weight, medical condition, and response to treatment. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions when taking this medication. Adult dosage. For adults, the typical starting dose of Fosinopril sodium is 10 milligrams, taken by mouth once daily. Depending on how well blood pressure or heart failure symptoms are controlled, your prescriber may gradually increase the dose over time. The usual maintenance dose ranges from 20 milligrams to 40 milligrams once daily. Pediatric dosage. For children weighing 50 kilograms, approximately 110 pounds, or more, the typical dose of Fosinopril sodium is 5 milligrams to 10 milligrams, taken by mouth once daily. Dose adjustments may be made based on clinical response and tolerability. Fosinopril sodium, Monopril. Contraindications. Contraindications are specific medical conditions or situations in which a medication should not be used because it may cause serious harm. Fosinopril sodium, Monopril, is not safe for everyone. Inform your healthcare provider if any of the following apply to you. A history of angioedema, especially if it occurred with previous use of an ACE inhibitor. Current use of aliskiren, Tecturna, in people with diabetes or high blood sugar. Use of neprilysin inhibitors, or if you have taken one within the past 36 hours, such as sacubitril/valsartan, Entresto. Taking Fosinopril sodium under these conditions significantly increases the risk of serious side effects, including severe swelling, dangerously low blood pressure, and kidney problems. Pharmacist tips for Fosinopril sodium, Monopril. When taking Fosinopril sodium, Monopril, following professional guidance can help improve effectiveness and reduce the risk of side effects. The tips below are based on pharmacist best practices and clinical experience. Regular follow-up appointments and lab testing are essential while taking Fosinopril sodium. Mark your appointments on your calendar so your healthcare provider can monitor important lab values, including kidney function and potassium levels. Based on these results, your dose may need to be adjusted to ensure safe and effective treatment. You can help track how well Fosinopril sodium is working by checking your blood pressure regularly at home. Keep a written record of your readings and bring them to your medical appointments. This allows your provider to evaluate how well your blood pressure is controlled and make informed treatment decisions. Fosinopril sodium can be taken with or without food. If you notice stomach discomfort, taking the medication with food may help reduce irritation. ACE inhibitors, including Fosinopril sodium, are known to cause a persistent dry cough in some people. This cough can develop at any point during treatment and may not resolve until the medication is stopped. If the cough becomes bothersome or interferes with daily life, inform your prescriber promptly. Dizziness can occur when you first start taking Fosinopril sodium or when your dose is increased. This effect usually improves over time as your body adjusts to lower blood pressure. To reduce your risk of falls, stand up slowly from sitting or lying positions. Staying well hydrated is important while taking Fosinopril sodium, especially during hot weather or after physical activity. Dehydration can cause your blood pressure to drop too low, worsening dizziness and increasing fall risk. If you have heart failure or kidney disease, ask your prescriber how to maintain safe fluid intake. Always inform your healthcare team about all prescription medications, over-the-counter products, and supplements you are taking or plan to take. Fosinopril sodium can interact with other medications, potentially increasing side effects or reducing effectiveness. Your pharmacist and healthcare provider can help ensure your medications are safe to use together. Avoid using nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen, unless your healthcare provider specifically approves them. Combining NSAIDs with Fosinopril sodium may increase the risk of kidney problems. Lifestyle changes play an important role in blood pressure control. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, reducing salt intake, and engaging in regular physical activity can enhance the blood pressure-lowering effects of Fosinopril sodium. In some cases, successful lifestyle changes may allow for dose reduction or discontinuation under medical supervision. Stop taking Fosinopril sodium and contact your healthcare provider immediately if you become pregnant. This medication is not safe during pregnancy and can harm an unborn baby. Your prescriber can recommend safer alternatives and appropriate lifestyle changes to manage blood pressure during pregnancy. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to HeInfo for more science-backed medication education, and share this with anyone taking Fosinopril sodium. Have questions or experiences to share?